Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change Kia Niro windshield wipers. First, ensure your vehicle is off and the ignition is completely disengaged. Gather your new wiper blades and a soft towel to protect the windshield. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the glass until it locks into the service position. This prevents the arm from snapping back and damaging the windshield. Now, let's move on to removing the old blade. With the wiper arm in the service position, locate the small release tab or button where the blade connects to the arm. Press this tab firmly and slide the old wiper blade down and off the hook. Be careful not to let the metal arm snap back onto the windshield, as this could cause damage. Place a towel on the windshield for extra protection while you work. Now, take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade up onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firm. Carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield, making sure it rests flat against the glass. Repeat this process for the other wiper. To complete the process, turn on your vehicle and test the new wipers using your windshield washer fluid. Observe their performance for any streaks, chattering, or missed areas. This ensures proper installation and clear visibility. Remember to regularly check your wiper blades for wear and tear. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great socks and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.